Hey guys, it's Tiffany Riley, and today we are going to be unboxing Lush products. We are finally doing an unboxing video that's not what I've done in the past, like A-boxes and some other stuff. So we're finally going to be unboxing a different product today. So this, I bought the disclaimer, I bought these products with my own money. In no way am I being paid for, nor is this video sponsored by Lush. So, I have loved Lush since, gosh, forever. So back at my old place, I used to use Lush all of the time. They even have a store where I live. But I saw that they came out with a Easter/Ostara collection, so I'm just like, I have to get it, I gotta review it, etc, etc. So that's what I'm getting ready to do today. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box. So yeah, this may take a while for, I don't have any box cutters, so all I have are scissors right now. So, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and open it real quick, and then I am going to show you guys what's inside. So let me go ahead and pick this camera and show you guys. So, as you can see here, let me turn off the flash real quick so you guys can see properly. So, as we can see here, there's a bunch of these little packing peanuts. These packing peanuts are actually to protect the products itself, like the bath bombs, because the bath bombs are really, really fragile. So it's okay. So we're back with the unboxing of my Lush products. Again, as I said at the beginning of this video, this is not sponsored, nor am I being paid for by Lush in any way. I bought this with my own money, and my review, this review/unboxing is 100% review. Yeah, I guess you could consider this a review as well. I don't know. Honest, I guess. Okay, but enough of that. So they put in like a paper, it's freshly made by hand, naked and proud, plastic-free peanuts, and of course they include what you get in, like, you know, in bugs, stuff like that. Not doing any of that. Alright, so of course they have, let me just kind of show you guys if this is, it's like this whole thing of packing, which are plastic free. All of these peanuts are biodegradable. These like little packing peanuts are biodegradable. Let me turn on my flash real quick so you guys can see. Now I got two bath bombs. This one is the rose gold bath bomb. Now both of these bath bombs, I will do a review on it, but look how pretty is this. Oh my goodness. So I can show you guys. First of all, let me move this out of the way. So that smells super, super good. This is the rose gold. And then, that one is in its plastic, and then this one is the flamingo egg bath bomb, which is from their Easter, or what I say, you guys. How pretty! How incredibly pretty. This smells so, so nice. This is from their Easter collection. This smells so, so nice. I'm definitely going to be using this. And I'm definitely going to be reviewing this as well. So be on the lookout for a review video for both of these, especially for this one since Easter is coming up. Oh man, that smells so good. Oh man, I forgot how Lush. I forgot how Lush is. Oh man. I forgot the amazing smell of Lush bath bombs and products. Anyway, you guys, that was it. Both of these products I will review both of these products very soon. Lush, thank you so much for sending me these. I absolutely love them. I will be doing a review on both of these bath bombs here very shortly. Probably later on next week, since this is Holy Week and everything like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day and night wherever you are in the world. Happy Holy Week and happy almost Ostara. Bye.